Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put your Ecwid store on another platform. Today I'm going to be using DevSites, which is my website builder. So this is the embed code of my store I showed you from the last video. Now I want to go to copy. Now I want to open this link, sites.embedcoding.com.au. It's a bit glitchy. Now you want to go to Sites, My Sites. Now we want to create a whole new website. Let's call it Demo Store. Create new site. Now we want to change this. We want to change this, the first page, to home. Edit attributes, home.html, that will be the link. Go to save. Now let's edit the page, the content. Now we want to add something like this. Welcome to our store. You can make that much bigger and also move it into the middle. Go to save once you've done. Now we want to add the store. So go to create new page. It will be called store. Go to edit attributes, store.html. Go to save. Now go to edit. We want to edit the page. Don't add any text because it won't work. Now, this tiny little button here that says HTML. We want to click that and you'll open this. Now you want to add the code. Now click save. It won't appear there, but once you click save, the store will be there. So let's go to the site. It will be not secure since, I don't know why, doesn't make it secure. But don't mind that. Now, now you can see the store is right there. You can even sign in and everything. And yeah, so that's how you embed a store onto DevSites. And bye everyone. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification button for more videos. And yeah, bye!